Hey guys, I've got a 2008 AC Cobra. This is a Factory 5 build. I'm expecting it was a stage 1 kit probably when it was initially purchased. Original owner sort of put it together, had a 347 cubic inch Ford and a 5-speed, a T5 in it. And he just put it together enough to drive the wheels off it. Didn't do much of the way of maintenance. Current owner brought it to us and asked for us to make a nice car out of it. So we cut down the high back racing seats and turned them into like a factory AC Cobra bucket. We did a bunch of nice cleaning up on the body, got rid of all the seams, made the hood latch down. It was just a pin-on hood. Got door gaps, took all the wows out of the body. It was not what you would call a really nice fiberglass job to start with. Extreme Motorsports in Coburg did a drivetrain swap in it. They freshened the 347, made it into a monster, and also put a C4 automatic in it, removed the 5-speed for the young lady that owns the car. I do run a small shop. I'm in Campbellford, Ontario. We're about 100 miles east of Toronto. I don't typically have multiple vehicles on the go at once. It's typically if I take your vehicle on, you are the job for the time being. It's not a case of I have a bunch of employees. I am a one-man operation typically. My children help me occasionally, but they both work out as well, so it's very rare. My overhead is low. My quality is high. Nothing more I can say other than have a look around at my Facebook pages, have a look at a couple of my YouTube videos, and maybe if you're looking to have a job done, you can contact me.